What's up YouTube? My name is Juan and this is the first installment of my video series where I'll be showing you how to beatbox loop with the RC-30 dual track looper from Boss. So grab your pedal and let's get started. This loop pedal takes 6 AA batteries, which can be inserted in the back, and that's how I'll be using it. But if you don't have that, it also takes the Boss AC adapter right here, and you can connect it into the lower right hand corner and then into the wall to supply power to your pedal. Alrighty, so the first thing we're going to talk about is the equipment that you need. So you'll need a microphone. I use the Shure SM58. You'll need an XLR cable to connect the microphone to the pedal. You can see here it has 3 prongs. You'll need a loop pedal. The RC-30 dual track looper from Boss is what I'll be using. A 1/4 inch instrument cable to connect the pedal to the amplifier, and you'll need some sort of amplifier. So on the back of the pedal is where you connect the cables. We'll take the XLR, plug it into the mic in. So line up those prongs, connect it in there. Then we'll take the instrument jack and plug it into output L/mono power on. What you'll notice is there is no on and off switch for the pedal. As soon as I plug this in, the light turns on and now the pedal is operational. If I want to turn it off, all I have to do is unplug this cable. So here we are. Track 1 here is selected. You can see it's lit. The left pedal is to play and record. The right pedal is to stop. And the first thing we're going to talk about is the order in which the left pedal works. So you'll see here in the little center console, it says rec, and there's a little red light next to it. In the middle it says dub for overdub. And on the bottom it says play and has a green light. When I push the pedal in its default mode, it's going to start recording the first loop. Got it. When I push it again, it's going to start overdubbing, which means it's simultaneously playing back the loop I just did and immediately recording the second loop. If I let it keep running, it'll record the third loop, the fourth loop, so on and so forth. When I push it a third time, it will stop recording and only be playing back. So I'll show you an example of that right now, here with 4 loops done in succession. And then I push it again, and now it has stopped recording. It's only playing back. Press the right pedal to stop. Okay? So I don't think this is the best thing for beginners, because if you don't have your second loop or third loop like ready in your mind, ready to go right on time, it can create this sort of, like, if you mess up, it'll create this cycle of loops and you can get kind of lost, and I just don't think it's the best way to go about it. So we're going to delete that. Pressing delete once, you'll see it flashing. Press it again to delete. We're going to unplug and turn off the machine. You'll notice here there's a button called tap tempo. I'm going to press and hold that and replug in the pedal. Okay? Hold it down. This will come up. Now I'm going to let go. And I'm going to use these up and down buttons to change from RD to RP. I'm going to push the tap tempo button again. What this does is changes the order that the left pedal works. So now instead of going record, overdub, playback, it's going to go record, playback, overdub. And I think that's important because it lets you think about what your second loop is going to be. So here I'll show you the example. And now if I'm talking into the mic, it's not recording anymore. It's only playing back what I just did. So when I'm ready to record my second loop, I'll push it again in time. Press it again to stop. Here we go, third loop. Think. Press the right pedal to stop. So I know that seems like it's a little more tedious, but it will allow you to think about what you're doing and be more in control of your pedal in the beginning when you're experimenting and playing around. Okay? You push delete, and again to stop to delete that track. And that's all you need to know, I think, to start off. So keep playing around, keep having fun, and tune in for the next video where we'll go a little bit more in depth. All right, thank you.